Welcome to Australian Immigration, your go-to channel for all things related to Australian visas. In today's segment, we will guide you through the process of applying for an Australia Visitor Visa or Tourist Visa in 2023. We will discuss the required documents and the application process step by step. So let's get started. Understanding the Australia Visitor Visa or Tourist Visa. Before we dive into the application process, let's have a clear understanding of the Australia Visitor Visa or Tourist Visa. This visa allows individuals to visit Australia for tourism, leisure, or visiting family and friends. It's important to note that this visa does not permit individuals to work or study in Australia. Now, let's move on to the document requirements. Document checklist. To apply for an Australia Visitor Visa or Tourist Visa, you will need to gather specific documents. Here is a checklist of the essential documents you will need. Valid passport. Ensure that your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay in Australia. Completed application form. Fill out the appropriate visa application form accurately. Passport-sized photographs. Provide recent, passport-sized photographs as per the specified guidelines. Proof of financial capacity. Demonstrate that you have sufficient funds to cover your expenses during your stay in Australia. Travel itinerary. Submit a detailed travel plan, including flight bookings, accommodation arrangements, and a list of places you plan to visit. Proof of ties to your home country. Show evidence of your strong ties to your home country, such as employment, property ownership, or family commitments. Health and character documents. Depending on your circumstances, you may need to provide health and character documents as specified by the Australian authorities. Previous visa history. If you have a previous visa history, provide relevant documents to demonstrate your compliance with visa conditions. Lodging the application. Once you have gathered all the required documents, you are ready to lodge your application. Follow these steps to complete the application process. Online application. Visit the official Australian Department of Home Affairs website and create an IMI account. Fill out the application form. Complete the online application form accurately, providing all the required information. Attach supporting documents. Upload scanned copies of all the necessary documents mentioned in the checklist. Pay the visa fee. Pay the applicable visa fee using the specified payment methods. Submit the application. Review your application thoroughly and submit it online. Application processing and decision. After submitting your application, it will undergo processing by the Australian authorities. The processing time may vary, so it's essential to apply well in advance. You can track the progress of your application through your IMI account. Once a decision is made, you will be notified about the outcome. Additional tips and final thoughts. Before we conclude, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Apply for your visitor visa well in advance to allow for sufficient processing time. Ensure that all your documents are genuine, complete, and up to date. Seek professional assistance if you have any concerns or questions during the application process. That's it for today's segment on how to apply for an Australia Visitor Visa or Tourist Visa in 2023. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more informative videos on Australian immigration. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.